They say that when you want to buy a property, it's location, location, location. So watch out, what are the things that you should consider when it's a good location? One of the major considerations before we buy a property or we invest in real estate, no, based on my experiences, dapat maganda ang location, or location talaga yung isang factor, no, kung bakit bibili yung client sa area na to, bakit niya gusto dito. And then na-observe ko din, meron lang dalawang ways, no, or sa location para mag-invest yung client dito sa location na to. Number one, pinili niya tong location na to dahil ito yung hometown nila. Diyan ako lumaki, Jairi, diyan ako nag-aral, and then yan talaga yung hometown ng family namin. Or nakikita ko kasi, Jair, sa mga video, dyan daw yung developing area. Nandyan daw yung tinatawag na township or estate development. So ngayon, dahil nandito ako sa Santa Rosa, Laguna, no, nandito yung mga